Thanks for clicking on this particular channel. So if this is your first time, you might want to subscribe to this particular YouTube channel, because what we do here basically is 100% practical, teaching you how to create a report and dashboard in a very unique way that you might have not even thought of before. So I'm going to show you how to create everything you see right here today. So now you look at this dynamic tooltip we have right on this. One of the amazing part of this dashboard is this particular part right here, where you can select top or bottom, whatever you really want. So what am I talking about? Right here we have by product name and by product group and by salesperson. Now we are seeing it by product group. You can click on salesperson and that shows you the bottom salesperson, and if I click on the top salesperson here, that gives me the top 4 salesperson. What if I want to increase it and go beyond